water heaters. They can fill up with sediment up to here sometimes and weigh 300 pounds. How are you supposed to get it on your truck? This electrical motor weighs 158 pounds. There's no way I can lift that by myself on a pickup truck. This concrete planter weighs over 300 pounds. Even two guys, it's hard to get on a truck. I'm going to try by myself with a jet bum. This generator weighs over 200 pounds. I can barely lift it. Oh, I can't even lift it at all. There's no way I can get it on a lifted truck. But I got a jet bum. Stop breaking wheels. No job is too tough with a jet bum.
Jet bum, helping you unload everywhere.